Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to use Apple Pay. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus button to add your credit or debit card information via your camera or manually. Step 2. Verify your card. This can be done via a text message, email, or a phone call. Step 3. Prepare for payment. Look for the contactless payment symbol or Apple Pay logo at a supported store. Step 4. Activate Apple Pay on your iPhone. Double-click the side button to bring up Apple Pay. Step 5. Authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Step 6. Hold your device close, bring your iPhone or Apple Watch near the payment terminal and complete the transaction. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.